Every age has its well, every generation its feast, and every society must decide whether it will seek the architect of the trap or merely fight those trapped within it. What if the greatest manipulation is not convincing you that someone is innocent or guilty, but conditioning you to hate the one who asks for evidence, so you never examine the truth for yourself? When loyalty demands a villain, but justice demands reason, which master do you truly serve? And if your first defense is to attack the person instead of answering the argument, have you protected justice, or merely revealed how easily your own mind can be led? In the end, if your strongest argument is an insult, is it your opponent who has been defeated, or your own capacity to reason? The well of minds. Imagine a well into which a dead pig was thrown. Hunger summoned the rats, and they rushed in without hesitation, believing they had discovered fortune. They never stopped to ask who had cast the feast into the darkness. They only knew there was something to consume. When the flesh was gone, the well remained. Hunger became suspicion. Suspicion became hatred. Hatred became violence. One by one, they turned upon the very creatures that had entered beside them. The enemy was no longer the hand that built the trap, but the face standing nearest. Is this not the oldest strategy of power? The greatest manipulation is seldom convincing people who is innocent or guilty. It is teaching them to despise the one who asks for evidence, so that reason dies before the trial even begins. Once the mind exchanges logic for loyalty, every question becomes betrayal, every critic becomes an enemy, and every insult masquerades as an argument. The Stoic chooses another path. He refuses to descend into the well of outrage. Instead, he asks, who benefits when reason is replaced by ridicule? He weighs evidence before emotion, principles before personalities, and justice before allegiance. For truth has no need to silence questions, and wisdom has no fear of scrutiny. Beware the well, for those who never look beyond its walls spend their lives fighting fellow prisoners, while the architect of the trap watches in perfect silence. The deepest freedom is not escaping the well. It is refusing to become the kind of mind the well was built to create.
Be the fire, not